spend too much time switching websites and having to memorize too many passwords to do your work? So, to make things easier for you, we've brought together everything you need into 1. Your new global intranet. 1 is a new social workplace where we can all put the values of energy in motion into practice with just one click. Designed as a tool that will help promote Rexel's culture of cooperation, 1 allows you to receive the latest company news and updates, retrieve useful information, look up a colleague's contact, access community websites, and take part in interactive forums. 1 is a web portal that you can personalize. It gives you exactly what you need when you need it. Let's start by signing in. This is a one-time process that will grant you access to all the websites within the intranet. The home page is your personal entry into the website. Here, you can find shortcuts to news, community websites, and departments pages. There is even a section called Quick Links to get you where you need to go faster. On the group page, find information about the Rexel group, as well as more information about our various locations around the world by browsing the world map. Be sure to keep an eye out for the Roundup by Rudy Provost. Our CEO will give us an insightful look at current topics regularly. The Departments page is the place for HR, communication, IT, finance, and other departments to keep and maintain all the documents you need closer to you. Also use this space to learn from one another and encourage expertise sharing among your peers by posting, commenting, or liking an article. Here is the Employees page. It features a directory where you can find your colleagues' contact information from all around the world. Just type the person's name in the search bar. Help your colleagues and promote knowledge sharing by visiting the forum and community pages. Here, you can build working relationships no matter where you are. Join a community and facilitate group collaboration by sharing files or by participating in discussions, all from a single platform. It's your turn. Explore our new social workplace and find out how we can all work as one.